Hey everyone, welcome to our tutorial on how to fix the graded widescreen issue on Windows 10, 11, 8 and 7. If you've encountered this problem, you know how frustrated it can be. But don't worry, we're here to help you resolve it step by step. Before we proceed, ensure you back up your important files regularly to avoid data loss during troubleshooting. Now let's dive into the solutions. Perform a hard reboot. Sometimes the simplest solution is the most effective. Press and hold the power button on your device for about 10 seconds to turn it off. Then turn it back on. This can sometimes refresh your system and eliminate the widescreen. Booting in safe mode allows Windows to run with minimal drivers and can help you troubleshoot the widescreen issue. Restart your PC. As it's booting up, press the F8 key repeatedly until you see the Advanced Boot Options menu. Use the arrow keys to select Safe Mode and press Enter. Once in safe mode, check if the widescreen persists. If it doesn't, the issue might be caused by a software or driver conflict. A loose or damaged display connector can also cause a white screen. Ensure your computer's display connectors are secure and undamaged. If you're not comfortable doing this yourself, consider seeking professional help. Update or reinstall graphic drivers. Outdated or corrupt drivers can lead to display issues. In safe mode, go to Device Manager. Expand Display Adapters. Now right click on your graphics driver and select Update Driver or Uninstall Device. If uninstalling, restart your PC to automatically reinstall the driver. If all else fails, consider restoring your system to a previous point or resetting Windows. To perform a system restore, search for Create a Restore Point in the Start menu. Open it and follow the prompts to restore your system. For a Windows reset, go to Settings, Update and Security Recovery and select Get Started under Reset this PC. Choose to keep your files or remove everything. Remember, this test can vary slightly depending on your Windows version. Always proceed with caution and back up important data before making significant changes to your system. If you need more help or if the problem persists, consider reaching out to a professional or the Windows support team. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell for more troubleshooting tips and tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.